Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to install and set up the Google Tag Manager WordPress plugin. This is the absolute best way to manage all your tracking codes in one place without touching your site's code every single time. First, log into your WordPress site. Go to the sidebar, click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search box, type Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Look for the one by Thomas Geiger. Install it, and then hit Activate. Next, navigate to Settings and then click on Google Tag Manager. This is where you connect your site to Google. You'll see a field labeled Google Tag Manager ID. Grab that ID from your GTM dashboard. It usually starts with GTM followed by a string of letters and numbers, and paste it right there. Now, you need to choose how the code gets placed on your site. The plugin offers a few options, but the codeless injection is usually the best and easiest choice for most people. Just select that option and click Save Changes. Once you do this, open your website in a new tab to make sure everything looks right. If you are an advanced user and want more control, you can choose the option instead. This requires a tiny bit of manual work. Select Custom, copy the PHP code provided by the plugin, and then go to Appearance and click Theme File Editor. On the right side, find the theme header or header.php file. Look for the opening body tag in the code and paste that PHP snippet right below it. Hit Update File at the bottom and you're officially connected. That is literally it. If this quick guide helped you get your tracking sorted, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to set up your first GA4 tag inside Tag Manager next, and I will see you in the next video.